Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Mix flour, baking powder, and salt together in a bowl. Stir in milk and olive oil until a soft dough forms. Turn dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead 10 times. Shape dough into a ball. Cover dough with an inverted bowl and let sit for 10 minutes. Roll dough into a 12-inch circle on a baking sheet.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
With no yeast, the salt bacteria can make a bread rise and give it a cheesy flavor. That's the secret ingredient in salt-rising bread, which dates to the late 1700s in Appalachia, when bakers didn't have yeast on hand.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Ingredients like ground chicken, red beets, and zucchini can be used to create unique bases for pizza toppings. Cauliflower and sweet potatoes are also solid ingredients to use if you'd like to make a crust that's not dough-based.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
So, a dough used as a pizza base which was not leavened with yeast isn't going to taste the same because it's not going to have these yeasty byproducts in it. Yeast takes a while to work, so there's no way you're going to get a good yeasty base inside 30 minutes.
Take our lead.
You can substitute yeast with equal parts lemon juice and baking soda. So if a recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of yeast, you can use half a teaspoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Keep in mind that the bread will not need the typical proofing time and the dough will begin rising right away.
Take our lead.
The yeast, while it feeds and gives off the gas that causes the dough to rise, produces other substances which contribute to the flavor. So, a dough used as a pizza base which was not leavened with yeast isn't going to taste the same because it's not going to have these yeasty byproducts in it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.